Did you know you can start a group chat with ChatGPT and invite other people to chat together in the same conversation? In the next few seconds, I'll show you how this works and why it's actually very useful. First, open the ChatGPT app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're in the app, start a new chat. In the top right corner of the screen, tap on your avatar with the plus icon. This will open a new menu. Before creating a group chat, you can customize your profile if you want. By tapping the pencil icon, you can change your profile picture or username. I'm not going to change anything here, so I'll just go back to the previous screen. Now tap on the button that says Start Group Chat. A new menu will appear where you can choose whether you want to receive notifications when someone in the group chat sends a message. I'll enable this option so I don't miss any messages. After that, a new ChatGPT chat will open. At this point, you can optionally customize how ChatGPT should respond and what topics the chat should focus on, but this step is not required. You can start chatting right away. To invite other people to this group chat, tap on Invite with Link. You can either choose a specific app to share the invite link, or you can copy the link by tapping Copy. In this example, I'll copy the link and send it through Viber. When someone receives the link and taps on it, they'll be redirected directly to the group chat. To join, they need to tap Start Chatting and, of course, be logged into their own ChatGPT account. Group chats with ChatGPT are great for collaboration, brainstorming, studying, planning projects, or even just learning together. Everyone can ask questions, see the same answers, and build on each other's ideas in one shared space.